Okay, we've made adjustments to the mouth, so now it opens and closes how I want it to do. I took a little bit off down in here, sanded it down so it opened a little more. Now we're going to hook up our spring and our string to see how that's working, if that's properly put. If you enjoy my videos or find them helpful, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in my comments section on my YouTube and I'll get back with you. So we'll hook that up. Make sure that works. What you want to make sure is you get your mouth all connected properly how you want it, because you don't want to have to go back in and redo it. We've temporarily tied our string onto our hinge there, so we'll use our 1/2 inch dowel. Which will go there. So we're just going to test it. And perfect. This way. So now the mouth opens and closes. I sanded on the side of the mouth on the inside a little bit so it doesn't catch. We've got that 3-inch piece of wood glued in, so everything that's working properly. So we can take the mouth back out and set it aside for now. So we're done with this for now. So now I'm still letting that dry up inside there. And what you do here is we're just gonna cover this with wood putty, so we'll hide our screws when we get to that point. But you can see how I sanded this, rounded down here a little bit. So now the mouth opens wider. That's what we wanted. Thanks for watching.